Well, I'm here in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm here to shoot some video shots, and there are several shots that I will be shooting today. They will be the moving shots. You have the zoom in, or zoom out, or zoom out, or zoom in, or start out with a zoom shot or a close-up shot, and I can zoom out from that, or I can start with a wide shot, zoom in tight. And also too, there's something called the pivot or the pan shot. You can go left or right, and there's a shot where you do up and down shot. You also can move with the camera. Right, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I also got a tight shot of the subject matter, and I also zoomed out to reveal where the subject matter was, where the object was located. I also did a wide shot, which some will call the establishing shot, to reveal where the subject or the object is located. And I zoomed in with a tight shot to reveal more detail of the particular shot. And I also moved my camera around on various objects in this particular area to get a feel that we are in a neighborhood. Because you shoot for a reason. You don't only just shoot just to be shooting. But to wrap this up, this opportunity to train with this camera work, to get these camera shots, will enable me to do better in various other productions that I'm affiliated with. My name is Troy Johnson, and I thank you for tuning in.